I've uncovered another tactic that can help you get rid of these files and folders that are shared with you that you can't get rid of in Google Drive. This has been frustrating for a long time, and I found another way to do it that may be the ultimate answer. Maybe the ultimate answer. But before I show you what I'm talking about, if these videos are useful to you, subscribe to the channel, because I got a lot more content coming that can be useful for you in lots of other ways around Google and Google Workspace. If this one video helped you, hit the like button so that I know it helped you. And if you have any questions about Google on Google Workspace and Gmail, etc., just comment on the video and ask me the question and I will answer it for you. So here they are. Here's a video that's shared, or here's a folder that's shared with me by Teddy Burris. And you can see I'm in my Google Workspace account, tlburris@teddyburris.com. And this file right here is shared by Teddy Burris at Gmail. And if I click on that, the delete's not working. If I go over and hit the three dots, the remove or move to trash is not working. However, I can click on that folder and I can drag it over here to trash and trash it. Temp will remove from view. Collaborators will still have access. I can get rid of it. Let me show you another one. Here's a file from Tom, Teddy Work. I can click on that file, grab it, and drop it on trash. And there it is right there under Mark Hoeing. And I can hit remove. And that file's gone. Here's another one. Wall panel from CNC Design. Click on it and then drag it on top of trash and hit remove. Wall panel will be removed from view. Collaborators will still have access. Now, bottom line is you still have access to it, just not showing up in your Google Drive. All of these right here, let me go through a bunch of other ones. Let me see if I can do a bunch of them at the same time. This one, this one, this one, this one, this. I don't even know who these people are anymore. Select all 4 or 5 of them and drag it over here on trash. And NC list and deck should be last. There they go, slowly disappearing. NC list and deck. So the bottom line is, if you click on a file and you don't have the trash, if you hit the 3 dots and you don't have the remove or move to trash or remove it, then the next best suggestion is to click on it and drag it on top of trash. Now let's go look in trash and see, and none of those files are there. They've been completely removed. The only ones that are in here are the ones I deleted back in July of 27th. This is all regarding files under shared with me that you do not have the ability to click on. Where is one? Right there, the trash can. I'm Teddy. I'm all about Google Workspace and Gmail, and I hope this is helpful for you.